In this video, I'll be showing you how to overlay videos. If you're joining us for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always joining. If you're a fan of social media, most especially Facebook, you notice another will be playing on the background and they will use their own picture or video to be listening to that one and probably be reacting to the one that is playing on the background. It's with overlay that they achieve all those stuff. So if you want to know how they do it, or if you want to start something like that, just watch this video to the end. And for this video, I'll be making use of Capcut. There are other softwares that you can use for it. I'll be using Capcut and use it on your mobile phones. You can also make use of it on the PC. If you have any question, don't forget to drop it on the comment section. So guys, let's start. This is the app. You can always download it, and this is the icon. Just open it. When you open it, on new project, it will open, and this is where it will bring you. You can make selection of what you want. If it's 2 videos that you want, basically the ones that the main event is on the background and you are by the side saying something about the video, just go ahead and select 2 videos. You can make use of pictures, you can make use of videos. So let's select this and let's select the second one. So we have 2 videos now, and instead of you to click on add, if you look down you will see add. Instead of you to click on add, you click on what? This collage by the side. When you select the collage, this is what it will bring out. It will show this interface. I believe you have seen this type that they make use of 2 videos or 2 pictures. One will be the other side and the next one will be on the other side. You can also select any way you want the arrangement to be. You can just make use of it. You can try this out, try this. Just anyone that you want, you can decide. You can also click on what ratio beside it. So with this, you can properly arrange it for the app that you want to use it for. If it's Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, anyone that you want to make the video to be properly fit into, just make use of ratio. Then you can use your format option to make it to look the way you want it. So let's just select this. I believe this is okay. Yes.
I'm hearing the name Livinus. Is it Lavinus or Livinus? Somebody Livinus.
So this is the first method. It's already inside the edit option, so if you want to do anything to it, you can edit it and start doing stuff with it. But with this now, you are good to go. So this is the first method, and the second method is this is your Capcut icon. You click on it, it will open. Click on new project, then select the main video that you want. That's the main one that you want to do the stuff with. So let's select this. You click on next and it will open. It will bring you to this interface. So on this interface, the next thing you do is to click on what? Overlay. If you look down, you will see it. You select what? Your overlay. Click on overlay. It will bring out this. You click on the plus sign, then it will take you back to your photos where you can select the one that you want to be on top of it. So let's just select any video at all. You can select from the pictures, you can select from the video. So let's take this video and click on add. So with this now is already on top of the main video. You can place it wherever you want it to be. You can make it to be big. You can also minimize it to suit the position that you want it to be. So this is the second method that you can use for it. There is also another method, but I think with these 2 you can be able to achieve the main things that you want. So when you play it, you see that this one is okay too. So that will be all for now, guys. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment, and share with your friends for more tips like this and many other things that will be coming your way. Thank you, guys. Bye.